Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hue motion sensor to Alexa routines, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Philips Hue motion sensor is properly installed and configured in the Hue app. Open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom right of the screen. Select Accessory Setup to see the connected Hue devices. Confirm that your motion sensor is listed. If it isn't, follow the on-screen instructions to add it. Next, open the Alexa app on your device. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Routines from the list of options. Tap the plus icon to create a new routine. Name your routine by tapping on Enter Routine Name. Now, decide the trigger for your routine. Choose when this happens and then select Device. Scroll through your list of devices and find your Hue motion sensor. Select the motion sensor and set the conditions for its activation. You can customize it to trigger when motion is detected or when it no longer detects motion. Once you've selected the desired condition, tap Next. Now, choose the action that you want Alexa to perform. Select Add Action and choose from options like Smart Home to control your Hue lights. Select the Hue lights you want to control and customize their settings as desired. You can adjust brightness, color, or set them to turn on or off. After customizing your actions, tap Next. Review your routine setup to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to finalize your routine. Your Alexa routine is now connected to your Hue motion sensor. Test the routine to ensure it activates as expected when motion is detected. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Hue motion sensor to an Alexa routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.